natin ngayon mga maestro ay alamin at pag-usapan naman natin itong update po para sa ating DepEd PBB 2023. Ito po ay mula sa Teachers Dignity Coalition. Ayan, so good news nga po mga maestro kasi maging sa Teachers Dignity Coalition po, no, sa pangunguna po ni Sir Benjo Basas ay na-confirm na nga po itong ating PBB 2023 ay matanggap po natin ngayong taon. Ayan, so tingnan po natin yung naging post po ni Sir Benjo Basas sa official Facebook page po ng Teachers Dignity Coalition. Ayan. So nakalagay po dyan, what's the latest on the DepEd 2023 performance-based bonus? Ayan. So ito po ay na-post po mismo ni Sir Benjo Basas. So credits po kay Sir Benjo Basas in sa Teachers Dignity Coalition. Sa kanila po natin kinuha itong information po na ipinamamahagi po natin ngayong araw. Alright? So nakalagay po dito, here's the update from the official Facebook post of DBM Undersecretary Gadis Hope Libiran. 2023 performance-based bonus for teachers, abot kamay na. Secretary Amena Pangandaman confirms DepEd including teachers found eligible to receive 2023 performance-based bonus. Department of Budget and Management DBM Secretary Amena Pangandaman confirms that the employees of the Department of Education or DepEd including public school teachers are set to receive their performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2023. Masaya po akong ibalita para sa ating mga kasamahan sa DepEd, lalo na sa ating mga guro na matapos ang masusing deliberasyon, sila po ay napatunayang eligible para matanggap ang kanilang performance-based bonus para sa taong 2023. Ito po ay alinsunod sa mandato ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na kilalanin ang kanilang ambag, sipag at dedikasyon upang itaguyod ang pagpapalakas ng sistema ng edukasyon sa ating bansa. Secretary Amena Pangandaman said, kung wala sila, wala rin tayo. Kaya dapat lang po na patuloy natin silang bigyan ng motivation at nararapat na benepisyo, Secretary Amena added. During the plenary deliberations on House Bill No. 4058 or the General Appropriations Bill GAB, the DBM, through House Committee on Appropriations Chair Micaela Angela Sonasing, confirmed that the Technical Working Group on Executive Order No. 61 is scheduled to meet next week tentatively on September 30, 2025 to formally issue a resolution declaring DepEd eligible for the grant of 2023 performance-based bonus. They will have a Technical Working Group meeting on September 30, during which they will finalize this and they will come up with a resolution formalizing the fact that the teachers are indeed eligible for the performance-based bonus, House Committee on Appropriations Chair Mika Suwansing announced. Memorandum Circular No. 2023-1 states that to be eligible for the grant of the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus, each agency must satisfy the criteria and conditions under the four dimensions of accountability, performance results, process results, financial results, and citizen-client satisfaction results and attain a total score of at least 70 points. Ayan, so yan po yung naging post ni Sir Benjo Basas ng Teachers Dignity Coalition through the post din po ng Department of Budget Management sa pamamagitan po ni DBM Secretary Amena F. Pangandaman. So malinaw po dyan na sure po tayo matanggap po natin itong ating PBB 2023. Ayan po, ngayong taon. So waiting lang po tayo kung kailan po yung tentative date or tentative date release nitong ating PBB 2023 na siyang pag-uusapan po sa darating po na September 30, 2025 kung saan sila po ay magkakaroon ng kanilang Technical Working Group meeting. Ayan po, so doon po possible na mapirmahan na po yung resolution. Alam naman po natin, pag napirmahan na po yung signed resolution ay tuloy-tuloy na po yan and then magse-set na or mag-release na po sila ng kanilang SARO, no, yung ating Special Allotment Release Order, and after naman po doon is yung ating pong Notice of Cash Allocations para po, or NCA, para po matanggap na po natin itong ating PBB 2023. Alright, so dito ko natapos itong ating video ngayon mga ka-maestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad ito yung mga updates pa rin tungkol sa PBB 2023 and other benefits sa mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka. Always update ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na video. Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!